Hey besties, welcome back to a brand new video. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Angela, and today I'm gonna be unboxing the Gisou product. So I'm gonna show you guys what I purchased. So here I have the box, and I am so excited to see how they packaged it inside. So let's unbox it together. And I have been waiting to unbox this. I got this package
2 weeks ago.
and I was like, wait, I'm gonna wait to unbox it with you guys. So here we are, 2 weeks later. Okay, here's the whole list of things that are in here.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited!
Let me throw all this trash to the side. So here are the things that I have in here. We're gonna start off with, oh, how cute is it? The tiny hair oil. I was really planning to do the giveaway, the hair oil. You guys are going for the jelly lip gloss by Milk, so I guess I'll keep the little baby with me. And I'm already running out for my hair oil, so I'll probably keep that. And now here is the honey infused hair mask. I'll probably give you guys an update, or I'll do like a whole routine using their products. So let's open this up. I saw a little black bug. Okay. I really love their package, how they have it inside. They have little designs and like flowers in there. So here we're gonna take that out so I can show you. It smells very, very nice. And it's so soft. I can't wait to try this on my hair. And then now we have the honey infused leave-in conditioner. So this box is a little smushed up, but it's okay. I'm gonna be throwing them away because I have something very cute that I can put all my products in from Gisou. So here it is. This is how it looks. This is how it looks, guys. How to use: spray evenly from an arm's length, blah blah blah. Okay. A little ASMR.
Okay.
Smells nice, dude. I already love the smell to these. Okay, now. And then I also have this chain, which I did bring my lip oil with me. So here's my lip oil, and I have the chain, which we're gonna go ahead and put it on. So this is the set of Valentine's, so it's like, you know, self-care, self-love. It's really nice to buy yourself stuff that, you know, it's needed for your hair and stuff like that. Now I'm a little confused. How am I supposed to put this on? Okay, we'll worry about that later, but this is for the lip oil. This is the one I've been waiting for, and I'm so excited to try it out. It is the new Gisou candle. So they have the yellow one, and I decided to get the pink one, which is new. So I'm just very excited to smell it and try it out. I was thinking, like, once I'm done with the candle, I'm gonna go ahead and put like my necklaces in there, or I can put my hair clips. You know, they did post on Gisou, their Instagram, they posted like what you could use this afterwards. So this candle is reusable instead of throwing it away. I always thought, like, I'm not gonna throw it away, it's already cute. Oh, it's strong. It smells very strong. It smells like a mixture of honey and, like, I don't know, I'm getting like flowers, vanilla. It smells amazing. I'm so excited to light this up in my room and have the room smelling like flowers, you know, just smelling like spring, because I already smell spring in the air. I feel it. Like, I'm so excited for spring, and I'm just excited overall. So I have next in the box, it is the last item. So for the last item, I got it for free depending on how much you spend on their website. So I got, of course, the bag. I I am obsessed with the purse or bag, makeup bag, whatever you want to use it for. And then the back looks like this. And I'm all about that coquette life right now with the pink bows everywhere. And inside is so soft. It's like that velvet touch. And I think I'm gonna be using this like when I go out. Probably just throw my lip oil in there. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in everything that I purchased in this bag. Overall, I am so happy with everything I purchased, and I'm excited to try all of them out and give you guys a review on them. I was forgetting the little honey infused beauty balm, and it was hiding in the corner of the box, so that's why I didn't see it. So this is the last thing that I got. Here it is. It looks just like honey. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw all the stuff inside my bag, and I hope you guys enjoy this short video of Gisou products. I really can't wait to try all of them out. Alright everyone, that's gonna be it for today's video. Very quick and short. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it for you guys. So please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a like if you guys like watching this video, and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends, family, anyone that you can think about. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. And please leave a comment down below. Subscribe, it's not that hard. Ew, that sounds cringe. Alright everyone, that's gonna be it for today's video.